Hello. So, after the first part, here we are with another part, that is the second part of paper 2 history of 26th March 2023, starting with the very first question, that is the 51st question. The first true ark in India is found in the tomb of Iltutmish, the tomb of Balban, the tomb of Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, the Dargah Sharif at Ajmer. So the correct option is the tomb. The correct option is the tomb of Balban. Yes, it's in New Delhi. It was considered that it was built by himself in year 1287-88. We will also look at other options. The tomb of Iltutmish. It was built near Qutub Minar in Delhi in 1235. The tomb of Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. It is also in New Delhi and it was built by Muhammad bin Tughlaq. It has 3 graves of himself, Ghiyasuddin, and his wife and one of his son. It was built in 1325. Then the Dargah Sharif at Ajmer. It is a tomb, Sufi tomb of Moinuddin Chishti, Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti, a Sufi saint, and considered to be built by Humayun. Next question, 52. Bijapur and Golconda clashed over the possession of. So, Bijapur and Golconda clashed over the possession of Naldurg. Naldurg, it's a place in Maharashtra near Usmanabad, and it has a fort. Naldurg fort was supposed to be built by a king, Nal Raja. It also has a waterfall named Narmadi. Yes. Next question, 53. It's a term in the Mughal administration who was the Diwan-e-Buyat, officer in charge of the expenditure of mansabdars, officer in charge of the income from the Khalisa land, officer in charge of cash salaries, officer considered with the finances of the royal household including the kharkhanas. So, it's a term, officer concerned with the finances of the royal household including the कारखानास. राजघराण्यात आणि कारखान्यात वित्त बघणारा अधिकारी. We can give a try for Marathi also. Next question, 54. R.P. Tripathi has described the Mughal theory of kingship as Turco-Mongol theory of kingship, Mongol theory of kingship, divinely appointed kingship, autocratic kingship. R.K. Tripathi or Ram Prasad Tripathi, in his theory of kingship, described about Turco-Mongol theory of kingship. It's a theory that the monarch consider himself as the authority of God, and they divide the empire among prince on tribal basis, not territorial basis. Yes. 55th question. Which historian has said that Aurangzeb's failure against the Marathas was because of the inability to comprehend the nature of Maratha movement? Which historian? Jadunath Sarkar, G.S. Sardesai, Satish Chandra, Andre Vink. So the option is option C, Satish Chandra, a very renowned Indian historian. We have a book on old NCERT on him, like medieval history, medieval Indian history. He has detailed work on medieval Indian history, and we also have old NCERT to consider. 56th, Jahandar Shah ascended the throne at Jahandar Shah. He was a Mughal emperor. He was a first puppet ruler placed by a noble, Zulfikar Khan, and he was also son of Bahadur Shah I. He ascended the throne at Lahore in the year 1712 to 1713, only for a year. 1712 to 1713, yes, only for a year. The first systematic biography of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was written by. First biography of Shivaji Maharaj, first systematic biography. It was written by Cosmo de Guarda. In his book Vivede Celero Shivaji, that is life of the celebrated Shivaji. Another question, 58. What is meant by Khurd and Budruk? What is meant by Khurd and Budruk? They refer to the extended settlement of village and original one. They refer to the original and the extended settlement of a village respectively. They refer to forms of propriety holdings. They refer to methods of collection of revenue. They refer to the original and extended settlement of a village respectively. We can consider Loni Budruk or Loni Khurd. Yes. Kharuk was a tax levied on oil pressers, village artisans, village priests, merchants, village artisans. Note down the terms on some other separate page and do revise it before the exam. It comes very handy. The hundi was a bill of exchange, promissory note, a method for sending diamonds from the mines to the markets, a mode of transport for bullion. Hundi is a bill of exchange. In medieval period, yes. Right now we are looking at medieval history, then there will be modern history. We covered ancient history in part 1 and few questions of medieval. 61st, Dash was a loan for extending and improving agriculture in medieval India. Takvi, Pat, Talpat, Sondhar. Answer is Sondhar. This was the loan given by Muhammad bin Tughlaq, MBT. He was the first to formulate the agriculture policy, that is to increase the area and the irrigation system. The Sir Desai of Khudal was accused of attacking and robbing Portuguese vessel at sea in 1726. What is meant by Paimash? It's a term. What is meant by Paimash? Amount of revenue collected, method of revenue collection, assessment of revenue based on the measurement, revenue collected through the tolls and taxes. It's assessment of revenue based on the measurements. Option number C. Assessment of revenues based on measurement. What are Jainiza documents? Or Geniza. Geniza documents. Documents given information on Jewish trade to Europe. Documents about the Indian trade of Jewish merchants from Cairo. Documents regarding land revenue. Documents on collection of custom duties at Surat and Cambay. So these are documents about the Indian trade of Jewish merchants from Cairo. It's a collection of some 40 lakh Jewish manuscript fragments and Fatimid administrative documents. It was written something in late 800s. It depicts more about economic and cultural life. It's a very secular document. Which of the following is not regarded as a feature of Indian feudalism? Not. Forced labor was widely prevalent. The number of sharecroppers increased. Extra economic coercion was exercised by military holders. The village economy was relatively closed. A village economy was not closed. We know this. It's the option. Extra economic coercion was exercised by military landholders. There was nothing like military in the early medieval period. Indian feudalism, a societal structure which was from Gupta Empire to the Mughal era till the late 16th century. Who was Zamorin? Zamorin, the ruler of Malindi in Africa, ruler of Calicut, the ruler of Madurai kingdom, the deputy of the Bijapur Sultan in Goa. Zamorin is the ruler of Calicut, now known as Kozhikode. He was a very famous ruler. He was the first to give a grand reception to Vasco da Gama in 1498 when he reached the port. The ports of Thata and Lehri Bandar are located on. These ports are in present day Pakistan, and they were the one of the main ports of the medieval period, along with Kambat, Kolam, Calicut. The Lehri Bandar port is on the river Indus. Option A, the Indus River. By which treaty, 68, by which treaty did Peshwa Baji Rao II accepted the subsidiary alliance? It's a very famous treaty. Treaty of Basin or Vasai, signed in the year Treaty of Basin or Vasai, signed in the year 1802 between Peshwa Baji Rao II and the British East India Company. It was after the Battle of Poona, and it was not accepted by the Scindias and Bhosles, which led to the Second Anglo-Maratha War. In the 18th century, certain new states came up in protest against the Mughals. Which of the following was not a new state? The Jats, Bengal, Punjab, the Marathas. Option is B, Bengal. Bengal was not a new state. 670th question. Dash undertook the earliest systematic study of Indian architecture. Systematic study of Indian architecture. The answer is James Ferguson. Yes, he was a very renowned architecture. He has written a book, History of India, and Eastern architecture in the year 1876. 1876. 1876. James Ferguson. Question number 71. Which of the following was not a base of the Portuguese in India? Not a base. Masulipatanam. Masulipatanam, also known as Machilipatnam. It's in Andhra Pradesh, and the town is very famous for the kalamkari. Yes, the port. So we here can see that the base of Portuguese was Nagapattinam, San Thome, Cochin. For the next exam, there might come this question reversed. Who among the following historians who has used the phrase Vasco da Gama age? Vasco da Gama age. The option: Radha Kumud Mukherjee, B.A. Saletor, Sanjay Subramaniam, K.M. Panikar. K.M. Panikar. He was a very renowned person in India. He has written various books like the Malabar and the Portuguese, in which he has mentioned about Vasco da Gama, survey of Indian history, and various books. He was ambassador to China. The author of Miratul Akbar. Might have heard about him. Rajaram Mohan Roy. Yes, Rajaram Mohan Roy. And the term Raja was given to him by Ashok Akbar II. Akbar II. Yes. This civil servant, who later became the governor of Bombay, did not approve of Lord Dalhousie's policy of annexation. Annexation policy को अप्रूव नहीं किया. So the answer is Sir George Russell Clark. George Russell Clark. Option A. In 1845, the British purchased this Danish fort in India. Which is the Danish fort which British purchased? It's Dansborg. It's a very famous place, currently a museum in Tamil Nadu. Its original name was Tranquebar, and it's near the shores of Bay of Bengal. Who stated that the event of 1857 started as a religious movement but as a people's movement, ended as a people's movement? The war of 1857. Who said? Dr. S.N. Sen. Yes, Dr. S.N. Sen. Question number 77. In 1870, the London Times reported that Dash organized a public meeting in Bombay to protest against the rise in income tax. Rise in income tax. Please look at the word Bombay. Pune Sarvajanik Sabha, East India Association, Bombay Association, Madras Mahajan Sabha. So the answer is Bombay Association. It was established in 1852 to address public concerns against British and represent Indians in Bombay Presidency. Very famous person was with this organization, Dadabhai Naoroji, the grand old man. Chief advisor and confidant of Syed Ahmad Khan, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Theodore Beck. Option number B. who said, I learned my first lessons in politics at the feet of Surendranath Banerjee? Option is M.A. Jina. M.A. Jina. Yes. Surendranath Banerjee, also known as Rashtraguru, founded Indian National Association for Hindus and Muslims to bring them together. He was also founding member of INC, and in 1919 he set up Indian National Liberation Federation. Indian National Liberation Federation. Who? Surendranath Banerjee. Question number 80. The founder president of Harijan Sevak Sangh, founded by Mahatma Gandhi, was Mahadev Desai, G.D. Birla, Amritlal Thakkar, Vallabhbhai Patel. Option is B, G.D. Birla. Yes, founder president. The Kuka movement finally turned into the movement for Kuka movement, which was started in 1872 under Sadhguru Ram Singh Ji. It was started as a religious purification movement, but later it turned it was movement for the ouster of British from Punjab, the foreign power, ousting the foreign power. It was also known as Namdhari movement, and they boycotted British clothes, educations and laws. Yes, Namdhari movement, also known as Kuka movement. 82. Balaji Prabhakar Modak organized science exhibition with the support of Dash in 1887 and 1897, which were visited by thousands of people. Balaji Prabhakar Modak. Kolhapur state, Baroda state, Gwalior state, Indore state. Kolhapur state, and at that time it was under Rajashri Shahu Maharaj of Bhonsle dynasty. He was Raja from 1894 to 1900, and he became Maharaja from 1900 to 1922. Rajashri Shahu Maharaj of Kolkata state. He has done very reformative works in the state. So you must go through his life once, so it can help for the next exam. The first Director General of Archaeological Survey of India, a very famous and he is also the father of Indian archaeology, Alexander Cunningham. He excavated Sachi, Sarnath, and he was the first to discover Harappan seal in Harappa in 1853. This native colonial official wrote a book describing the village social structure in Maharashtra. He was T.N. Atre. He wrote the book Gav Gada. Or Village Cart. The national anthem Jana Gana Mana was first sung in December 1911 at which session of the Congress? Allahabad session, Madras session, Bombay session, Calcutta session. It's Calcutta session of 1911, which was presided by Bishan Narayan Dev. Yes, Bishan Narayan Dev. Which one of the following leaders initially led the Dharsana Satyagraha along with Kasturba Gandhi? Dharsana Satyagraha, which was started in May 1930 by Kasturba Gandhi and Abbas Tayyabji. After their arrest, it was continued by Sarojini Naidu and Maulana Azad. 87. In 1929, which party was formed by Akram Khan, Fazl ul Haq, Abdur Rahim to protect the interest of Bargadars who were rent farmers in Bengal? Unionist Party, Jotedar Party, Riyasati Praja Mandal, Bengal Kisan Sabha. Option is Jotedar Party in 1929. Which of the following was not a part of non-cooperation movement? Boycott of courts, boycott of government schools, boycott of foreign clothes, boycott of tax payment. Boycott of tax payment. Chauri, the movement was started in the year 1920 to 22, but it was ended due to the Chauri Chaura incidents. Revolution and counter-revolution in ancient India was authored by Revolution and counter-revolution. Barrister Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Barrister M.K. Gandhi, Barrister M.R. Jaikar, Barrister B.R. Ambedkar. Barrister B.R. Ambedkar. Who among the following Indian freedom fighters made an attempt to estimate the per capita income of India? Per capita income. Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Firoz Shah Mehta, Surendranath Banerjee, Dadabhai Nauroji. The Grand Old Man. Famous drain theory. And book written by him was Poverty and Un-British Rule. In India, Sacred Books of the East was a series of translations of ancient religious texts edited by Sacred Books of the East. It was edited by Max Muller. Who among the following was the first to donate his land under the Bhudan movement? You have heard about Bhudan movement. It was started by Vinoba Bhave Acharya. And the first person to donate the land was Ramchandra Reddy. The movement was started in the year 1951. It was the bloodless revolution. To donate the land to the needy, the portion of their land, like wealthy landowners का portion of land should be donated to the peasants, landless peasants. Who among the following supported the Tibetan theory? Tibetan theory of about the original home of Aryans. Original home of Aryans. Swami Vivekanand, Sri Ganganath Jaha, Swami Dayanand, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Swami Dayanand. Yes, the founder of Arya Samaj. He wrote the book Satyarth Prakash. Which of the following is a distinctive feature of the segmentary state model? It challenged the unitary model of state formation. It is based on the theory of open village communities. It is primarily concerned with the emergence of temple as the institution. It is based on the theory of Max Weber. 94. Option is A. It challenged the unitary model of state formation. In it, it is said that political and ritual sovereignty don't coexist. Segmentary state model. 95th. The style of nostalgic painting by European artists in India like William Hodges in the 18th century is known as picturesque, romantic, oriental, colonial. Picturesque. Nostalgic painting. The term gunpowder empires are usually said for Islamic empires like the Ottoman, Safavid or Mughals. So this term was given by Marshall Hodgson. This term was given by Marshall Hodgson. Yes, Mughal, the states. For Ottoman, Safavid, and Mughals. Which of the following can be found in the Surat factory records? Indian House correspondence, Inam Commission documents, Fort William correspondence, inward and outward books. Option D, inward and outward books. Yes. In 1640, the English were given a grant of land which became their first fort in India. Which place was given to them? Madras or Chennai, Calcutta or Kolkata, Bombay or Mumbai, Rajapur. Madras or Chennai. And there they built the famous Fort St. George. It was a land grant given by Nayaka of Vandivash to Francis Day. Who was Nakhoda mentioned in the European sources? The pilot of a ship, the commander of the fleet, the chief of warehouse keeper, the person who collected the bullion to be minted. The pilot of a ship. Note down the term on separate page so you can revise it for exam. Who among the following historians had said that the crisis of Jagirdari system was the main cause of the decline of the Mughal Empire? Crisis of Jagirdari system. Satish Chandra. Another question about Satish Chandra. So here we can see that he was a very renowned Indian historian who studied a detailed study about medieval Indian history. Here we conclude 100 questions. Thank you.